Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The title of this video obviously leaves very little to imagination. I did lose $76,407 and some change in my first year of live trading. Before I get into my stats in TraderView, I'll share my screen with you in a moment. I want to give you a quick background of how I got here in the first place. So at the end of the year 2022, I was looking for a skill that helps me to be self-sufficient, where I come up with the idea, I execute based on that idea, and I'm responsible for the results. And one condition I had was that this thing needs to have very little barriers to entry in terms of funding because I didn't have too many funds lying around. So it was just ideation, execution, and results. No interviews, no resume, no manager, no boss, no salary, nothing. It's your own idea, your own execution, and you're responsible for the results. You make money or lose money, that's separate, but the goal is self-sufficiency. Okay, and that's when I came across this idea or this concept of day trading, and I'm like, this seems to fit the mold of what I'm looking for. So what I did was, since I was new to day trading, I bought a course on Udemy to understand pretty much what a candlestick is, what these chart patterns are, pretty much the whole nine. So I did all of that. At the beginning of 2023, I opened an account with Interactive Brokers, which is still my broker till date. So I opened an account with them and I started paper trading. So I started that in February 2023. For the next 6 months until July 2023, I was sim trading. And you know what? I was not profitable, even in the sim. But I went against my better judgment and I funded my account with real money because I was a bit impatient. So I funded my account with Interactive Brokers and I went live in August 2023. And at the end of that year, of the first year, which is at the end of July 2024, I'm going to share my screen with you now. This is my result for the first year of day trading, guys. So guys, here are my results from TraderView. That's the time frame from August 1st, 23 to July 31st, 24. That's my gross loss of 62,960, to which we have to add our commissions, $13,447, which I'm sure makes my broker pretty happy. So you add this and this, you're going to get a net loss of $76,407 for my first year of day trading, guys. Some of the stats which I'm sure will jump out at you is this stark difference between my largest gain and my largest loss. I'm going to get to that monster loss in a bit. I'm obviously operating on a negative profit to loss ratio, with my average winning trade being $100 and my average loser being 4 times higher at $453. And then it's no surprise that I'm obviously bag holding. I'm holding on to my losers much longer, which is 5 minutes, as opposed to my average winning trade, which I'm only holding on to about 2 minutes here. There is one positive stat, guys, in all of this carnage, which is my win rate. So I'm right about 72% of the time, which is good on the face of it. But the issue is that obviously when I'm right, I'm not making as much money as opposed to when I'm wrong, where I'm losing a lot of money. If you scroll down, this will give you a snapshot, guys, of all the tickers I've traded. If you notice, I do not discriminate. I was trading small caps, mid caps, large caps. I mean, you name it. It was moving, I was in it. Carvana was where I saw the most amount of success. This was over multiple trades. This is not a single trade. Over multiple trades is where I made this money. But on the flip side, this loss of $33,500 on ticker SLNO. I think the company's name is Soleno Therapeutics. This is a single trade loss, guys, and it happened in less than 20 minutes. I'm going to jump into this trade right now. That's SLNO, guys, 26 September. This is my second month, guys, of going live. And I had seen some success in short selling, but I had no clue that when some biotech stocks come out with news and the market perceives it as positive, biotech stocks, they will rip through all previously established levels, guys. And I learned it the hard way. It was baptism by fire for me. So that's 6,000 shares traded, 3,000 short and 3,000 to cover. So 6,000 there. And this happened at 7:35 a.m. And that's because I live in Dubai, guys. 90% of my trades are pre-market. So I barely trade during regular market hours. So 7:35 a.m., that's EST, New York time. This is when it started, guys. So I think 7:30 is when the news dropped, and I, like a complete newbie, complete noob, I literally entered even before the move started. At 7:36, I'm already in with an average cost basis of less than $6. So that's 7:36, 7:30, whatever. 20 minutes later, 7:54, I'm running for the hills. Obviously, those two green tickets are me short covering, and those are my executions, guys. This is literally 2,000 shares, 1,000 short sell, and then 20 minutes later, I am out of $33,000. Painful loss, guys. My biggest loss till date. I'm going to switch back to that summary window again, guys. So if you look at this one page, it shows you what happened in this 1 year. But I also want to show you the monthly view in Trader View. Is that's where the true pain lies, because I was trading every day, guys. So I'll show you how those months went real quick. So this is the month of August 2023. First month going live. Super happy with the results. I still put myself through a lot of Hail Mary situations, but the market was forgiving. I got rewarded for bad behavior. And that was my first month. One red day, but overall a great month. So I'm going to scroll down to get the view. And after that, it all went downhill. September. I got 2 warnings here, consecutive days to get back in line, but I ignored it. And then I obviously paid the price with this monster loss that we just went over. That put me deep in the red, second month. So at this point, guys, I was like, you know what, should I go back to sim trading, back to paper trading? And I did for a couple of hours, but I was like, you know what, I lost real money. I'm going to make that real money. Worst decision ever. So once this loss happened, I got slammed below the PDT level. So I had to refund my account to just above $25,000. I think it was about $27,000 or $28,000 at the time. Then October came. I made some money. I sized down on my shares. It was a good month. My confidence was at least rebuilding again. But you will notice as I move forward, my emotional discipline was all over the place. November, again, if there's a pattern, you will keep noticing this. I have a string of nice small green days, and bam, an oversized loss, That puts me deep in the red. So I'm pretty much digging the hole bigger and deeper at this point. That was November. December was no different. Again, have some green days, then a monster loss. That was the end of 2023, December. Then I moved to 24, New Year. New me? No. New Year, worst me. Look at this, guys. My worst month, not in terms of P&L, but in just every week of that month, I was red. Every week, guys. It was, every time I tried to get back up, I was just getting slammed. This was literally my start for the year of 24. Then February, painful month, guys. If you notice, I had some really nice green days here. I was really building momentum. Compared to my previous months, I was seeing some decent green days, and then an outsized loss. Let me just show you what this loss looks like, guys. You know what? I'm fine. I mean, not much of a loss. $700 in the red. You know what? Loss gets bigger, double, $1,400. Then I'm even pissed. Look at that, $2,500. Then you know what? I try to make it all up. I try to make it back in one trade. Bam. Finishing the day, $9,700 in the red. And there goes my green month. Finish that month red again. March off to a red start, but I made it back. Made some money in the month of March. But guess what? In April, blowout days are back again. Same thing here, guys. Same pattern. A few small green days, and I will take one monster loss. Complete lack of emotional discipline. No strategy, nothing. One loss and I just lose it. Same thing in May, guys. I start the month off really nice, $1,500, perfect, great start of the month, but I just can't keep it. One day, again, same pattern, guys. Look at that. I start off with a $600 loss. I'm pissed. I'm trying to make it all back. No, 2,600, 7,000. I still don't stop. One big Hail Mary trade, and I'm slammed again. $15,000 loss. That was my biggest loss for the month, my biggest red day for the year of 2024. Super painful, guys. I mean, the bleeding is not stopping. June, it was a green month. It was green every day, small wins. Again, guys, I always try to get back up, try to get my confidence back again. So that was June. But July, I'm back. Blowout days, small green days, one or two really big red days, they just set me back. And that's my summary, guys. That's how I got to this number here. So there you have it, guys. This is the recap of my first year of day trading. It's painful, but the truth had to be told. It's a hole that I dug myself into, and I will dig myself out of it. I'm going to incorporate those two ingredients that were completely missing in the first year of trading, that strategy, and second is emotional discipline. So I'm going to get that back into my game. In the next video that I will be sharing with you guys is going to be the next 6 months of trading. That's going to be from August 2024 until Jan 2025, because I'm currently making this particular video in Jan 2025. So when this month gets over, I will complete full 18 months. So the next video is going to capture my results from August 2024 to Jan 2025, guys. So stay tuned for that. And most importantly, guys, if any of you are in my shoes or are just starting out in day trading, or maybe you have dug yourself a little hole with real money, you know what, guys, let this video be a lesson of how not to approach day trading. Okay, so guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I would really appreciate if you could hit the like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.